y'all, it's your girl Alexis back with another video. It is Vlogmas day 7. I know if you're wondering where I was at yesterday was just it was a difficult day, and I couldn't deal, so I just didn't, you know. Like, this is my first year doing Vlogmas, and like, I don't want to be, what's the word, I don't want to overextend myself and then I just quit completely. So one day ain't a bad thing. It's not too bad. But I have a couple of things to do today. I need to organize. First of all, like, it's a couple of things I just really been dragging my feet on all week. And then I have a jewelry box that my grandma gave me like years ago, and like, my jewelry is just everywhere in my house, so it's just like, why not just use the jewelry box? But it's not the right color, it's white. So I'm about to paint it black as best as I can anyway. Organize. I have to organize a few things in my bathroom and in my lash room. Alright, and that's it, and let's get right into it. So this is the paint that I'm gonna use. I think all I need is two cans, but we're gonna see. As I was gonna bring my big tripod outside, you know, so I get all the angles. No, that ain't gonna happen, because the little attachment that goes to my big tripod, I can't find it. Yeah, I have no clue where it's at, and we ain't gonna never get none done if I keep prolonging it. And the drawers are in the house. I think I'm gonna hand paint those though. Yeah. Well, let's get into it. Realize I didn't even put my band back on. I was supposed to put my band on before I went back outside, you know, to make sure the lace was laid. Definitely didn't do that, but it's okay. I don't know why I decided to wait till December. It did. Decided until it's December to want to go outside and paint. That's a summer job. That's a summer job. I have this basket. Usually put my tissue and my soap in here. So that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, it's been a few spillages in the refrigerator, so we just need to clean that out. Oh, the lighting in the refrigerator is tea. Ooh, it's cold in here. Ah, it's cold in here. I think the stove. After I eat, that never used to be a thing. So I'm just proud. I've been really working on myself, and I'm starting to really see the results, not only physically but mentally, and it's because of me and the things that I did. So it's really just this whole situation I got going on over here. It just I don't even know why those skulls even sit right there, but I just need to get it cleaned, and I'll feel a whole lot better about what's going on in here. Sorry if y'all can hear the fan, well, the heater in the background. It's a little chilly in here. It's chilly in here, so yeah. If y'all can hear it when I am talking, just disregard it. And then I have two, after I finish in here, this will be my last room that I'm organizing. After I finish in here, I'm gonna take me a nap. I feel like I did a whole lot today. Probably not, but I feel like I have. And because I have two makeup clients. I feel like, you know, like they're like, what am I trying to say? They're more upbeat, and I like to be, you know, in the mood for it. If you get what I'm saying, you know, like I want to get the same energy that they're giving. And if I'm tired, I'm a little sleepy. Why am I yelling? But if I'm tired and I'm a little sleepy, it ain't gonna get it. So I'm gonna take me a nap after I finish this room and get all the makeup and stuff set up. I'd be cool. I'd be cool then. I'd be cool. Just need possibly, yeah, I need some more glue. And I just got some new tweezers, y'all. Aren't these so pretty? They're so pretty. So pretty.
CIA, chance that you are.
This is all I got. Hey, look, how wants your money, man?
What are you
Talking about? Wig home. That must be some of that damn terror cloth. Man,
You're standing in a bar. New Year's Thursday. How you want to play this, Happy?
Can't save people from themselves.
Yeah, but we the ones fucked up a man boy Scully to begin with. You know that, right?
No, Leon been lighting his own fires for the last 3 months. If his ass had just fell in line, he wouldn't be in this shit.
This is the game. Go do your job.